Hello everyone, today we will do question answers of chapter 1 Space Hunt Extraordinaire. So let's start. Fill in the blanks. Dash was the first Indian citizen to travel to space. Answer Rakesh Sharma. Second, India's first rocket launching station is located at Tumba in Kerala. Number 3, India's spacecraft to Mars was called Mangalyaan. Number 4, Dash was the first India born woman to go to space. Answer Kalpana Chawla. Number 5, Dash was the Indian scientist who played a major role in the birth of India's space program. Answer Homi Jahangir Bhabha. Number 6, Vikram Sarabhai is commonly known as the father of the Indian space program. Now, comprehension. Take the correct option. Manya was B. Excited about the idea of visiting the No Man's Island. Number 2. The control station of Project Hynek was inside a huge dome. Number 3. The aim of the project was to neutralize the magnetic fields so that the UFO could be captured. Number 4. At the most crucial moment, contact with the UFO NAT was lost. Now answer the questions with reference to the context. Why didn't we fly straight to the Norman Islands? Answer. This is the context and question is who asked this question and to whom? Answer. Manya asked this question to Mr. Dr. Smith. B. Why didn't they fly straight to the islands? Answer. Because the island was surrounded by powerful magnetic fields which are dangerous for magnetic aircraft. Only helicopters were allowed to fly there under controlled conditions. C. Why were the island chosen for the project? Answer. They were chosen because they are far away from shipping routes and flight paths, making them ideal for a secret and classified science project like Project Hynek. B. Answer the questions with the reference to the context. So, second context is, are helicopters metallic? 2. Are we in trouble? A. Who asked this question and to whom? Answer. Manya said this to her father, Dr. Gogoi. Question number B. Why were they in a helicopter? Answer. B. They are in a helicopter because it was the only kind of aircraft allowed to fly to the No Man's Island due to magnetic field. Question number C. Were they in trouble and why? So answer is no, they were not in trouble because the magnetic fields were not active at the moment and they had official permission. Context 3. You are about to witness something extremely rare. So question is, who said this and to whom? So answer is Dr. Dominic said this to Manya. Question number B. Why was it rare? Answer. It was rare because it was the first attempt to capture a UFO using a space-bound net with powerful magnetic fields. Number C. Were they able to witness the event and why? Answer. Yes, they were able to witness part of the event. Manya saw the net capturing the UFO, but then contact was lost at the most crucial moment. Question number 4. Context 4. Dr. Gogoi pointed to a news item on the front page. So, A. To whom did he show it? Answer. He shown it to Manya. Question number B. What was the news item about? Answer. It was about a crater that had appeared in Kutch, believed to be caused by a meteoroid. Dr. Gogoi suggested it was actually made by the UFO after it escaped the net. Question number C. What was the listener's reaction? So answer is Manya started at her father incredulously, unable to believe the connection. What was Dr. Gogoi's condition for Manya to travel with him? Answer. She had to promise not to tell anyone or boast about the classified project. Question number 2. Describe the island on which Project Hynek was set up. Answer. The island had whitish domes, clusters of palm trees, and the sound of ocean waves. There was a huge control station inside the dome and a massive cone-shaped structure. The UFO NAT secured with scaffolding. Question number 3. How did the UFO behave when it came close to the net? So answer is it became shaky, changed color from yellow to orange to red, and eventually lost control and fell into the net. Question number 4. Why did Dr. Gogoi's face turn pale and sad? Answer: because the contact with the UFO net was lost and the mission seemed to have failed at that moment. Question number 5. What question did Manya have about Project Hynek? What answer did Dr. Gogoi give her? Answer: Manya asked if the UFO was eventually captured. Dr. Gogoi explained that the UFO escaped at a high altitude and fell in Kutch, leaving a crater. Question number D. Think and answer. Scientists from various countries were working on the project. What does this indicate? So answer is it shows that Project Hynek was an important international effort highlighting global cooperation in scientific research and the shared interest in exploring space phenomena. Question number 2. Why do you think the news report did not mention anything about the UFO? So answer is because Project Hynek was classified and authorities likely wanted to keep details secret to avoid panic or unwanted attention. Word study, complete the sentence. So these are fill in the blanks. Okay. So number 1, can you introduce me to your dash at the bank? Who can get this work done? So answer is contact. Number 2, the young girl drew the perfect dash of an octagon. Figure of the octagon. Number 3, all the specimens in the laboratory have been well dashed, so well classified. Number 4, we need to tell all our friends and relatives know our new dash, new word, new address. Number 5, the children were trying to scout for the gifts in the treasure hunt games. Okay, oh, I already said answer, scout. Number 5, match the phrases and make sentences. Okay, so first phrase is all and sundry. Okay, so meaning of the all and sundry is everyone. Number 2, boon and ban, both good and bad. Number 3, odds and ends, various types of small and important items. Number 4, spice and span, absolutely neat and clean. Number 5, up and about, answer, feel well enough to move around. Okay, now we will make some example sentences with the help of these phrases. Number 1, I invited all and sundry to my birthday party. Okay. Number 2, the internet is a boon and ban depending on how you see it. Number 3, my drawer is full of odds and ends like buttons, pins, and paper clips. Number 4, after cleaning all day, the kitchen looked spice and span. Number 5, grandma is finally up and about after her surgery. That's all for today. Thank you, children. Bye bye. Keep learning, keep practicing.